Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to see how we can change thumbnail from mobile only. So many times it happens that we have video and we upload it on YouTube, but for in order to edit the thumbnail we need to go to the web browser and change it. But there is a way by which you can actually change your thumbnail from the mobile. So if you go to the YouTube and if you see that if you edit this video, you won't see any option for editing the thumbnail. You can add tags after uploading it, but there is no option for adding a thumbnail. So in order to do that, there is an application which we need to install is YouTube Studio. So I have installed that. So this is the name, it's by Google. So it provides a way to upload a thumbnail. So I have installed it here. Let's just click on it and it will show the whole interface of it. So for example, I need to change the thumbnail of this my current video. So I need to just click on this video and there is a sign in top right corner, edit. So when I click on edit, it will give me the same kind of details which we are getting it on YouTube application, mobile application. But in this we have some more options, like you can see our tags are now in a very uh, large text box, and we have a option for adding this to a particular playlist, and also we have option for edit thumbnail. So when you click on it, you can choose the thumbnail which is there, and also you have the option to upload any custom thumbnail on it. So for example, if I want to choose this one, it will going to select it. So you can select like this, and uh, thumbnail, and select that, and it will get selected like that. And if you save it, it will going to add that thumbnail to it. So that's how you add a thumbnail from your mobile using YouTube Studio app. So I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.